if you would pick a partner to invest with you in big deals, what would be your criteria for choosing partners?
We normally don't want to do deals with partners. If we like a deal, we want to own it all, and we usually have the money to do it all. So almost in very few cases would there be a need for a money partner. And then is there a question for a knowledge partner? And we really wouldn't want to be going into something in most cases where we were relying on somebody else to be the brains of the deal. We've made exceptions on that, but not very seldom. So, we by our nature, we would like to have 100% of any deal for the benefit of our shareholders. If we're going to spend our time on it, we just as soon get 100% of the rewards. We don't mind taking 100% of the downside. And we ought to understand it well enough so we don't need a partner. Charlie, I'm just trying to think, have we done any big partnership deals?
Well, you made that partnership deal with Leucadia, but they brought you the deal.
That is true. We made a very good partnership deal with Leucadia. They did way more than their share. But they brought us the deal. And so they asked us to participate in their deal. Now, in effect, we own less than 100% of some of our businesses, and we're in partnership with the management, but that's perfect. I mean, we've had some great experiences with that, and we'll continue to have great experiences. But, and they're in on the same terms we are, and they're owners. All of our managers think like owners, but in certain cases, they are real owners directly in those businesses as well. But just some outside party as a partner, we really haven't done. Although I would do another deal with Leucadia if they came to me and I liked the deal. I mean, that was a very good experience. Number 10.